Now, convicted Ashanti regional chairman of the NPP, Bernard Antwi Boasiako alias Wontumi has this morning appeared before the Accra High Court in a case where he has been charged together with Akonta Mining for engaging in illegal mining in the Tanot Forest Reserve. Chairman Wontumi arrived in court alongside co-accused Akonta Mining Limited, Antwi and Osu Bempa. Now, the accused are facing charges of illegal mining allegedly carried out within the Tanot Forest Reserve in the Western region. Very shortly, we will be connecting to our court correspondent and he'll be giving us all those details. Meanwhile, we've been joined in studio by Wisdom Safo. He is on the research desk here at 3FM Media General. Thank you so much for joining us here. Well, can you provide us with all the details when it comes to the charges in this Tanot Forest case and explain to us how they differ from the one Chairman Wontumi has been convicted for, and he's currently serving, 20 years. Tell us.
So, Christabel, if you look at the charges or the criminal cases against Wontumi, there are three separate cases. We have the Samurai Boy concession case, and he was accused on 6 counts, and he was convicted of count 1 and 4. Okay. And that is what he is currently serving at Insawam Medium Security Prison. And we have the Tanot Forest Reserve case, and he have 7 counts or cases against him and the company and the accused persons in this case. And he's been convicted, or he's been not convicted, he's been alleged on 3 different counts. That's count 2, count 5, and count 7. And that is what is pending trial currently. And we also have the Ghana Exim Bank case. There's also 4 counts in that cases against him, and currently is also going through a plea bargain. So let me quickly run you through the counts in this Tanot Forest. So the first count was against Akonta Mining, and the charge was that the company was undertaking mining operations without a license. The second count is against Wontumi and Antwi, and the charge was also undertaking mining operations without the license. So Wontumi is mentioned in this count 2. And we move on to count 3, which is against Edward and Kwejo Osu Bempa. And that one is also undertaking mining operations without a license. We have the 4th count, which is against Akonta Mining, also felling of trees in the reserve without rating authority. The count 5 is against Wontumi and others, and that is abetting the unauthorized felling of trees. We have the count 6, which is against the Akonta Mining Limited, and also erecting buildings or structures in the forest reserve. And we have count 7, which is Wontumi and others, which is abetting the unauthorized erection of building and structures. So we have Wontumi being involved in count 2, count 5, and count 7 in this particular Tanot Forest case. And I must put on record that this also carries a jail term up to 25 years. So it's the same 25 years, a maximum jail term of 25 years for the undertaking of a mining operation without a license. And the particular counsel who is leading this charge is Andy Apia Kubi. Actually, there were later reports that were saying that he's recusing himself, but that one was for the Samurai Boy case and not that of the Tanot Forest case. Yeah.